from grade 9 of Devan National School.
We are glad to be part of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our project is based on the theme Samrit Bharat.
We are here to talk about our innovation, the EcoBreeze panel, an eco-friendly cooling solution.
Each of us has experienced extremely hot summers, especially in metropolitan cities, where most of the day is spent in rooms of concrete blocks or under ACs in offices. Due to this, most of us don't receive fresh air, and as a result, artificially cooled AC air harms our system. Moreover, ACs and coolers are not affordable by everyone, nor do most people prefer it. Thus, we have the EcoBreeze panel, a natural cooling solution.
Our panel works on a simple but effective idea, cooling through evaporation. It works on the principle of latent heat of evaporation. When the water in the block evaporates, it cools the air of the surroundings by absorbing heat. It is made using naturally easily available materials like clay and rice husk. The rice husk helps in reducing the weight of the block and helps creating air pockets for better moisture absorption. It has tiny holes through which air passes.
It has magnets attached so that the block can be put on window grills, just like a fridge magnet. This, being a prototype, is comparatively smaller, but the actual product will be 9 by 2 by 9 inches in length, breadth and height respectively.
How the product works is you spray adequate amount of water on the block. The small holes help it absorb water internally as well as pass air. The minor carvings on the block hold water. This product is inspired by earthen pots that keep water cold and refreshing. A perk of it being made by clay is that it doesn't heat up easily. Therefore, the block remains cold even after the surrounding is hot. At the same time, it captures tiny dust particles, therefore cleaning and cooling together.
This product cannot entirely replace ACs and coolers, but if adapted even on a small scale in a city or village, it can have a major effect on our environment. This product, unlike ACs or coolers, does not require electricity, makes no noise and uses biodegradable materials.
This product is a low-cost and sustainable way to reduce indoor temperature by about 4 to 6 degrees.
In conclusion, the EcoBreeze panel shows how simple natural materials can make a huge difference. It proves that innovation doesn't always need advanced machines. Sometimes it just needs thoughtful ideas that care for people and the environment. This small step cannot completely fix the issue, but it does inspire a future where cooling is sustainable, affordable, and eco-friendly for everyone. Thank you all for listening.